Hello out there, Omaha, Nebraska. Welcome inventors, entrepreneurs to Bold Patents, Omaha. I'm JD Houvener, the owner and founder here at Bold Patents, and happy to talk with you about some of the resources that we've come to know over the years right here in Omaha that can be a wonderful place for you to get a leg up over the competition, start your invention journey, and build your business if that's what you want to do as you move forward. So check out these 5 resources in the links below. The first one I'm going to talk about today, it goes without saying, is the Startup Collaborative. The Startup Collaborative has been around for quite a while. It's an accelerator program. This is where additional funding or resources are added to a startup to get them off the ground and to get additional information that you would have taken years in a matter of weeks or months. So it's for emerging business ideas, help them transform into successful ventures. They have technical assistance, innovative business models, solutions to market problems, and seed funding, like I mentioned. They also provide technical founder business coaching for you, the inventor, that may not have all that training or the MBA or business school training to help you learn about what it means to move your product into the market, learn about what financial models, how to track that, and present it to an investor. A notable startup that came out of the Startup Collaborative is Buildertrend. Buildertrend is a leading provider of cloud-based construction management software, and they look to simplify the project management for home builders and remodelers. So number 2, this is the university, the UniTech Institute. The UNE-Tech Institute is a university-based startup incubator that builds new companies based on innovative research from the University of Nebraska Medical Center. So they assist the entrepreneurs developing prototypes, offering grant support, funding and resources to grow and scale those emerging businesses. So check out the UNE Institute. The big startup that came out of there recently was Virtual Incision. This actually helps miniaturize robotic devices, and it puts those devices into general surgery, aiming to make minimally invasive procedures even more accessible. So it's really cool, fun institute. If you're connected to the university at all, a student, former student, alumni, check out the UNE Institute. Number 3 is called the Combine Incubator. And as you might have guessed with the word combine, it involves agriculture, ag tech industry sector. They offer resources like mentoring, networking opportunities, and industry experts to help you start your agriculture startup. One of the most recent ones that came out of there is Quantified Ag. They provide advanced livestock health monitoring using data analytics and improving animal health management. So yeah, go there, check out the Combine Incubator. And then 4 is the NBDC. This is a Nebraska Apex Accelerator. And with a lot of accelerators, I mentioned the other one before, the Startup Collaborative. This is the Apex Accelerator, and it involves high quality government contract technical assistance. So where you get through the SBIR, SBA grants. A lot of our inventors over the years have found this to be wonderful in terms of their ability to get you big funding that's government backed. They provide confidential experience guidance from start to finish, and it's helping businesses successfully position themselves to bid, win, and fulfill federal, state, and local government contracts. Notable startup that came out of the Apex Accelerator is the 21st Century Systems. They develop data integration, decision support software for government and commercial customers. The last one here, number 5, is the Kitchen Council. Kitchen Council is an incubator program that helps food startups grow and scale in Omaha's industrial ecosystem. They provide food-based entrepreneurs with fully equipped commercial kitchen space, business education, mentorship guidance, and access to events, businesses, solutions to overcome barriers. No More Empty Pots. No More Empty Pots is a big company that came out of this. It's a nonprofit. They focus on connecting individuals and groups to improve their self-sufficiency, regional food security, and economic resilience. So helping people to get food and get access to it. So it's a wonderful cause. So check out the Kitchen Council if you've got a food innovation. All right, everybody. Well, if you've got questions still about patents, trademarks along these journeys, as you move forward with the access some of these resources, Bold Patents stands ready to help you here in Omaha develop. Hope you are able to get a hold of some of these groups and reach out to us if you have any questions. Take care, everybody. Have an awesome day. Go big, go bold.